Okay.
Ooh, I'll just say, what are you eating, Daniel?
No.
You're eating nope? Well, you're weird. Jeez. Daniel's really
Oh,
weird.
I'm flying already. Yeah, buddy, I'm flying already.
I'm flying already, too. Where's the little crappy
Are you
Daniel?
are you recording already?
Yeah, of course I'm recording.
You're recording?
Yeah,
Why didn't you do your little intro thing?
because I didn't feel like it.
Of course not. Typical Devin Stockley.
Daniel Panda.
You can hear that.
Divider.
Whoops. I accidentally sent a complaint about this random guy.
Wow. Upside down.
Bella's having she's being dog sitted this weekend because we're going to Grand Forks, so she's being dog sitted. I feel so bad for her. She's gonna have an enemy all weekend long. There's this other dog at the house, and when they went there, the other dog, Snoopy, she was like, grrr. Then she bit Bella, and then Bella's like, and then I feel so bad for her.
I don't feel bad for you when I pinch you at school.
Of course not.
Holy crap, that guy's like extreme spitfire. It's like puking, like holy. Oh gosh, holy smokes, I almost hit the ground. Hey Daniel Penner.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes my controls. I'm like, whee!
Oh, that was close.
I think I turned up my graphics.
Oh, I'm going down. I'm going down. And I can just barely turn. I'm going down.
Oh my goodness. Holy crap, I'm gonna like kill you or something.
Kill the air?
Kill you, dumb nut.
I don't want to hit the trees! Oh, what? I just brushed the trees and then I was like, back is up with that.
Crap, I need to land my plane is just like not having a fun day right now. It's like steering is just like crap.
Just like you.
No, just like you, so I'll shut up. Like when I'm steering, I go to the ground. It's not supposed to happen. So I'm just gonna like try to do this.
Oh, I know how to look at your bombs. Oh wait, no, what was that button? Oh yeah.
Oh shoot.
I know how to look at the bombs when they're falling.
How?
There's a special button that you press and hold.
What is it?
Hockey Master Bro shot down by Trigger Finger.
Well, what's the button?
Well, if you really want to know.
Yeah, I do really want to know.
Do you now?
Yeah.
I'm sure you do.
Yes. Tell me.
Devin Polaris.
It's Stockley.
I'm sure. This little sleeper butt here.
Dude, what is it?
Well. 1 second.
I see you. I can come. No, never mind. That's not you. I'll find you and I'll kill you. Oh, I see you. You're like 1 mile away.
It's the 21st letter of the alphabet.
Huh? No, tell me.
No, it's the 21st letter of the alphabet.
Oh
Did
crap,
I say
no.
mile? Devin, it's the 21st letter of the alphabet.
I don't feel like counting. Just tell me and be someone nice. Unlike you. Well, you're not very nice. Okay, that's it. I'm coming to kill you. Where is this Daniel?
Fine. I'll tell you, okay?
Now.
Just come. No, yeah, I'll tell you, okay?
I see you. Hi, Daniel.
No. If you shoot me down, I won't tell you.
Okay, well then tell me.
You.
Oh, okay. Hi, I flew right over you. Come on, land, you stupid plane. I just captured this zone. I'm
No,
amazing.
actually, I did. I just landed.
Oh, there I go in a blazing inferno.
That's me, you idiot.
That's me. I'm in a blazing inferno, dumbnut.
Me too. I'm on the ground.
Oh, we're best buddies. Yeah.
You're an idiot.
You're an idiot.
I'm gonna go shoot you down.
Good luck with that.
Toter wolf. I'm gonna fly in a hurricane. You're a lag. You're a lag. What
You're
a
an idiot.
lag. Oh.
Oh. Look at these graphics. This is just crazy.
Yeah, crazy awful.
Just like you. Oh, ouch.
Somebody get out the ointment for that burn.
Oh, ouch. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Do you need some polysporin?
Oh my gosh,
Devin?
I just like flew through the ground like for 100 yards. Maybe not that. Let's take out my big, my really weird looking plane. Who cares? Divider. Remember that teacher?
What?
Do you remember that teacher?
What teacher?
The teacher who's like, divider. He said it like that. Like substitute.
Who?
That substitute, like Indian guy. For math.
Racial profiling much, Devin?
What? Oh, in grade 4, I think. Yeah, grade 4. We had this like fat substitute teacher, and she was like some really weird spaz, and she was like this grump who had like no love life or anything. She was like a mentally retarded idiot. And so me and I poked my friend with a pencil. And he's like, Mr. Teacher, Devin poked me with a pencil. And then she just looks at me. He's like, Devin, get up here right now. So then I had to like go up to her desk.
I hate to say it, but you deserved it.
I poked him lightly.
Oh,
And then, yeah, muffin to him. And then, so then I'm up at the desk, and then right in front of the whole class. And then she just like looks at me, and she starts yelling at me. And then one part I remember is like, "Do you think you even deserve to go to this school?" So I'm just standing there, I'm like, what's going on? She's like spazzing out at me. I'm like standing right beside her desk. And then she's like, go sit back at your desk or something like that. I don't know. And some people like, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, I don't think she's okay, but I'm okay. It's like, what the heck? But you probably are just like, oh, I don't care what Devin, who cares what he says? Nah. Whee. Let's go capture this dome. I'm gonna go kill this guy first. He's bombing nothing. You dead, bro.
How many planes do you have left?
1.
How many planes have you destroyed?
Do you mean
How many planes have you destroyed?
enemy planes?
No, of your planes.
I don't know. I was like 4. How about you?
I'm on my last one too.
Sucker. Come on, slow down, plane, slow down. Slow down. No!
Well,
Wait.
that's all, folks.
Well, that's all. Okay, then. He just, okay. Sorry, guys. He just left. Okay, I'm gonna end the recording now. Bye.